gonna start by removing this panel. To be able to do that, we need to remove our footrest. Here is on the way. Then you got a single fastener here in the bottom. Then you wanna grab your 10mm socket and you wanna find the nut that is right here on the back. You also wanna have in hand some needle pliers. Next thing will be to clean up the filter. We got this little filter. We're gonna give it a nice clean because it's all dusty. You see all that dust? Let's give it a nice clean. Let's rinse it with water, soap it with water, let it dry, and swap it back in. We're gonna proceed and remove the filter. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. You got fasteners, all of these holes right here, and there is a single one here. And then here in the top, you got two top nuts that you can wanna. Sometimes they're like really tight. Maybe you can get access from the top and help you a little bit. We got these two. Here in the top, stop nuts. And you can pull it out, remove it like this. And as you can see here, we installed before the Malossi filter. Not too bad. We're gonna give it a like quick clean with soapy water. We're gonna also give it a nice clean to this. Let's proceed and do that. Once we have cleaned up our filters, you see how nice looking they are. Got the nice Malossi one and the little one, nice and clean. You can see even my hand through. We also have the OM filter here. See the difference, the thickness of it. That's why these have the performance, because it let more air into the intake. And since we have also a performance pipe, this is the perfect choice for that. So this filter is actually pretty good, you know. I mean, if you want to use it, this is one of the best filters out there. But also the Malossi one is pretty good. So once you have all your filter organized and oily, clean up all this thing in the inside.